morning, good evening, wherever you may be watching this video. Today we've had the collateral cap raise, so there are more lots to mint FXRP. I've done tutorials on how to mint FXRP using the Bifrost wallet, but today I'm going to show you how to do it using the desktop interface. So with that being said, let's get right into today's content. All right, so we're over here at the fsets.au.cc page that gives you a pretty decent dashboard of FSX, gives you a pretty decent view or dashboard of FSX minting activity. Currently have 1.03 million FXRP available to mint, which is 103,000 lots. So these can go pretty quick. So we're gonna go ahead and get started on minting. So first thing you do is click the Mint F Assets button here at the top. Now you see I have 156 XRP available to mint into FXRP. So we'll click Mint here under F Assets, and then it'll bring up this page here that tells you how many lots you can mint. So it tells me I have up to 15 lots that I can mint. One lot equals 10 XRP. So I'm actually going to mint all 15. Shows you the agent. Now, if you're providing collateral to any of these agent pools, you'll want to make sure one of the agents you're selecting to mint F assets is actually an agent that you're providing collateral to, just to kind of help yourself earn more minting fees or redemption fees. So keep that in mind. So it tells me here at the bottom, I will transfer 150 XRP. My minting fee is 0.15 XRP, and my reservation fee is 3.95 Flare. So as long as I have enough to actually perform the minting in either FX or sorry, in either as long as I have enough to perform the minting in terms of fees, so as long as I have 0.15 XRP extra and 3.95 Flare extra to pay for gas or the reservation fee or the minting fee in this case, then I am good to mint all 15 of these lots. So we'll go ahead and hit next. And it's going to perform the transaction. So let me go ahead and pull up my wallet. Going to confirm here. So the reservation fee is paid, and now I'm going to send over my XRP. And once I've done that, you get this step 1 of 2, where it's walking you through the process of actually minting. This step can take up to 5 minutes, so give it some time, be patient, don't exit out. Well, give it some time, be patient. It will complete. You can exit out of this and it'll still complete on the back end, so don't worry about it. As you can see, we're actually progressing through these steps pretty quickly, so we'll just sit here until the minting process is completed. Okay, now we finally have our FXRP minted, so we can hit OK. And then if we go back home, it'll tell you how much you recently minted. Now, I've minted FXRP before, but I've already have that XRP deployed and working in dApps on Flare, so you won't see your FXRP listed here as soon as you start deploying your FXRP in a dApps like Kinetic, or you enter LPs on SparkDex or Enosis. So keep that in mind. Don't panic. I've had a few people reach out to me asking me where their FXRP went because they entered dApps and they no longer saw it on their dashboard. So once it is out of your wallet and deployed in dApps, you won't see that listed here. So don't panic. You still have access to your FXRP. But really, that is it in a nutshell. That is how you mint FXRP. So I hope this video was easy to follow. I hope this was entertaining. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.